Hi, hi guys. First we shall take as usual the geometry of ninth class. Then we shall consider the other concepts. Okay. First I will draw the geometrical diagram. Just a minute. Channel. Now we shall take a first diagram of geometry. Three lines are parallel. This line, this, and these three lines are parallel to each other. ACE. This is A, this is C, this is E, and a line is passing through it. This line is B, D, E. It is extended up to G. Extended up to G. Now, find the values of this x degree, y degree, and this z degree. What is given to us? This angle is given 55 degree. Remaining we have to find out. See, AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. This is given to us. AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. This is given. Also, EA is perpendicular on AB. EA is perpendicular on AB. This is given. If this angle is 55, means angle BEF 55 degree. Find the values of x, y, z. X degree, y degree, and z degree. These three values we have to find out. Okay. First you see what is the information given to us. Then what we have to find out. Parallel lines are given means alternate angles, corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Tell me if this is 55. What is this angle? Z angle. See, he has given that AE is perpendicular on AB, means this angle is 90 he has given. This is perpendicular on this line also, and also it will be perpendicular on this line. Okay. This angle will be 90. This is 90 means this angle also will be 90. If this is 55, then what should be Z? 55 plus something is 90. Total angle, this angle is 90 because this line is perpendicular on this line. Therefore, if it is 55, this should be 35 because if you add up these two angles, sum must be equal to 90 degree. Then I can write here. A is perpendicular on EF also. Therefore, angle AEB plus angle BEF. These two angles, their sum is how much? 90 degree. Because this line is perpendicular on this. See, one line is perpendicular on this means this is given 90 degree. It means if it is total 90, this angle is 55. 55 this is. And remaining angle must be how much? 35. So that if you add them together, sum must be 90 degree. That only I have written here. This angle BEF is 55 degree. AEB we are finding. 55 you take to right side. 90 minus 55. 35 degree. First answer Z we got. Z angle is how much? 35. He asked you X, Y and Z. First we got the answer of Z. Now tell me what is the answer for X and Y. Can you tell me what is the answer for X and Y? See here, in this is a triangle. This is given 90 because it is perpendicular. C is perpendicular on this line. This Z we found just now, 35 it is. 50 plus 35, how much? 85. If you add this angle, sum of three angles is 180 in a triangle. Therefore, in order to find out this angle, we are trying. We are doing this in triangle CDE. Angle C is 90 degree. Means BCE angle 90 degree. This angle Z we found CED. Angle CED we found how much? 35 degree. Now this remaining third angle is remained. This angle means CDE is how much? Sum of three angles in a triangle is always 180. This we shall do the same. This angle C, BCE angle plus this angle CED and third angle this angle CDE. All these three angles, their sum must be equal to 180 because in a triangle sum of three interior angles is equal to 180 degree. Two angles we know, this is 90, this is 35. BCE is how much? 90. CED, this angle is 35, we found just now. Now third angle CDE we can find out. If you add these two, 125 you will get. Then 125 plus angle CDE is equal to 180 degree. Then CDE angle is equal to 180 minus 125. How much it is? Subtract these two. 55 you will get. One 125 plus 51, 180 it is. Therefore, this angle is how much? 55. Now tell me what is y then? Easily you can say, because straight angle it is. Straight angle is 180. If it is 55, this should be how much? By seeing itself you can tell. See here, this angle, straight angle, this will be 180 degree. Out of these, this angle is given as 55. Then this angle will be how much? 125. If you add these two angles, the sum must be equal to 180 because it is a straight line. Angles on a straight line is always 180 degree. Therefore, if it is 55 angle, this angle will be 125. Now I will write angle CDE plus angle Y must be equal to 180. Why? Why 180? Because straight angle. Therefore, Y you can find out. This is 55. 55 plus Y is equal to 180. Then what is Y? Y angle is 180 minus 55. How much? 125 degree. The value of Y we got 125. Then X also be 125 because these are corresponding angles. See here, these are parallel lines. If a line is intersecting like this, if this angle is 125, its corresponding angle this also be 125. Corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, we can write here angle Y is equal to angle Z is equal to how much? Same 125. Why? Corresponding angles. This way, we found all the three angles X, Y and Z. In the initial stage only we found Z, then later we found the remaining angles. Very simple one. Okay. Now we shall go to next question, which is belonging to 9th class. Same type, but a different problem. Next question is, it is of geometry only. AB is parallel to CD. It is given that AB is parallel to CD and find the values of X, Y and Z. These values you have to find out. See, I am drawing a line here. PQ, this is R. PQR is given. This is 80 degree. This is Y degree. This angle is Z degree. And these two angles together, this is 2x degree, this is 3x degree. These are the given conditions. Now easily you can find the answer. Yes. See here, if two lines are parallel, then if a line is cutting it, then alternate angles are equal. If this is 80, this will be 80. Now here it is 80. Then this angle also will be 80 degree. CPQ angle this is. And this angle is PQR. That only we shall write now. Since AB is parallel to CD, This angle PQR means 80 degree is equal to CPQ. Both angles are equal to 80 degree. Why? What is the reason? Alternate angles you can write. One angle is this side, the other is left side. This type of angles are called alternate angles. These two alternate angles will be equal always. You can write in the bracket. Alternate angles are equal. Okay. And here you have got the clue. If you add up these three angles, you must get 180 because straight line it is. Angles on a straight line sum is 180 degree always. All these angles. 80 plus 2x plus 3x must be equal to how much? 180 degree. That only I show right now. Angle CPQ plus this angle 2x QPR plus angle DPR. All these three angles must be equal to 180 degree. Why? Straight angle. Angle on straight line is always 180 degree. Straight angle. Therefore, 80 plus 2x plus 3x must be equal to 180. Same I am writing. 80 degree plus 2x degree plus 3x degree is equal to 180. Solve it. 3x plus 2x is 5x. 180 plus 80 becomes minus 80 here. 100. 5x is equal to 100. Then x is equal to, divide both sides by 5. 5x by 5 cancels out. And 100 by 5 is 20. See here, divide both sides by 5. 5x by 5 is equal to, here also divide by 5. This cancel, you will get the answer of x. 20 degree you are getting. X value is how much? 20 degree. First answer you got. Find x he said. We got x. Remaining also you will get in the same way. What is 2x then? X is 20 means 2x means it's double. 20, 2 into 20. X means 20. 2x means 2 into 20. 40 it is. Three x will be 3 into 20. This will be 60. This will be 40. Now, this is 40, this is 80, 120. What should be this angle? This is a triangle, you know. Sum of three angles must be 180. 40 plus 80, 120. 120 plus 60 is 180. Therefore, y should be 60. Without any hesitation, we are able to say the answer. Now, say, I will write. Same I will write now. Whatever I explained just now, we'll write on the board. In triangle PQR, 2x angle 40 degree. QPR angle, that is QPR plus PQR plus this angle y means PRQ. All these three angles together must be equal to 180 degree. QPR is 2x, 40 degree we got. PQR is already 80 you got. PRQ you have to find out why it is. Equal to 180. 40 plus 80, 120 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Then what is y? Y is 180 minus 120. Y is equal to 180 minus 120. How much? 60 degree. Second answer also we got. What is y? Now z, by word of mouth, by seeing itself you can say the angle z. How? This is a straight angle. Y and z together must be equal to 180. Y plus z must be equal to 180. Straight angle. This is y. This is z. Y plus Z must be equal to how much? 180 degree, because it is a straight angle. Straight angle is always 180. Now you can say, if this is 60, this should be 120. This Z angle should be equal to how much? 120. You can write here. 60 plus Z is equal to 180. Then Z is equal to 180 minus 60. And Z angle is 120 degree. Answer. All answers, by seeing the diagram itself, you can say orally. By seeing itself, you can say answer. But in written, you have to write. What is the criteria, logic behind it, you have to explain. Okay. This way we finish these two theorems regarding geometry. Now, those who want to, this is 9th class basic geometry. We studied. These are also helpful in 10th class. Don't think that these topics belonging to 9th class are not helpful to you. 9th class topics are helpful to you. In 10th also, in inter also, they help you. Now we shall take, so far we have learned about geometric progression, geometric sequence, sum to n terms of geometry, nth term of geometric progression we have written, nth term of AP, A plus n minus 1D formula. Sum to n terms we have written n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d, so on and so forth. All we studied and we have solved the so many problems we solved. Now second, geometric progression. Arithmetic is over. Now geometric progression. What is the geometric progression? What is this sequence? See, in arithmetic progression, how we got arithmetic? Again I shall repeat. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. We, by adding a fixed number, we are getting the sequence here. 4, add a fixed number 3, you will get 7. Again add 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. This was arithmetic progression, AP. Or subtract also, 15 minus 3, 12, 12 minus 3, 9, 9 minus 3, 6. This is also AP, arithmetic progression. Here we are adding minus 3 in each term. 15 plus minus 3 is 12. 12 plus minus 3 is 9, like this. Or you can reversely say that subtracting 3, adding minus 3 and subtracting 3, both have same meaning. Okay. 15 minus 3, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. These are arithmetic progression, this sequence. By adding or subtracting a fixed number in each term, we will get the next term. This was arithmetic progression. But here in geometric, instead of adding, we get the terms by multiplying with a fixed number. For example, 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 20 2s are 40. This is called geometric progression, GP. In a geometric sequence, each term is obtained by multiplying a term with a fixed number. See, we are multiplying each term with a fixed number. What is that fixed number? 2. 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 2, 20. 20 into 2, 40. This way we are getting the sequence by multiplying with a fixed number. Here also first term is represented as A. And we are multiplying each term with a fixed ratio R. We can call as common ratio because we are dividing. Common ratio CR, simply R you can write, is equal to, how will you get R? Second term by first term. Second term A2 by first term A1. 10 by 5, 2. Any term by its preceding term. Any term by its preceding term. Term before it is called preceding term. Now, third term by second term also gives you the same answer, R. Third term, A3 by second term, A2. 20 by 10. This also will give you 2. This is called the fixed ratio R. Instead of D, in geometric progression we have R. In arithmetic progression we have D. Difference. Here, ratio. Ratio is obtained by dividing. Difference was obtained in arithmetic progression by subtracting. T2 minus T1. Second term minus first term gave you the difference D. Here, instead of subtracting, we are dividing. 10 by 5 will give you R. 20 by 10 will give you R. 40 by 20 will give you R. First term is written A. Simple one. Okay. Understood? This is the arithmetic progression. Now, first term of the arithmetic progression is generally represented as A. Now, if you multiply with R, you will get next term. Here also we are multiplying with R. Each term is multiplied by R. 5 into R is 2. 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 2. Each term is multiplied with R to get the next term. Now, multiply with R, AR. Again multiply it with R, AR power 2. Again multiply with R, AR power 3. This way you will get the terms of geometric progression. First term is first term is A. How will you get second term? Multiply with a fixed ratio R. A into R, AR. AR into R, AR square. AR into R, AR power 3. Dash, dash. See, second term we have written. First term A. Second term. What is second term? AR power 1. Third term. AR power 2. Fourth term. AR power 3. Second term means AR power 1. 1 less. 1 less than 2 we are getting. Third term means R power 3 minus 1. Means 1 less power we are getting. You can rewrite like this. AR power 3 minus 1. This AR power, in place of 1 I can write 2 minus 1. Here also fourth term means AR power 4 minus 1. Now if you want to write the nth term formula, how will you write? Fourth term means AR power 4 minus 1. So nth term means AR power n minus 1. This is the nth term of geometric progression. Nth term of geometric progression is written as AN or TN also you can write. AR power n minus 1. This is the formula of nth term of GP. A into R power n minus 1. Okay. Nth term of GP is AR power n minus 1. Nth term is AR power n minus 1. Suppose I am asking 10th term. 10th term means AR power 10 minus 1 means AR power 9. Now what is the 10th term of this GP? Tell me. Find 10th term A10. T10 or A10 both have same meaning. Find out. What is the A10? Nth term of geometric progression is AR power n minus 1. In place of n put 10. AR power 10 minus 1 means AR power 9. A means 5, you know. A is 5. R is how much? T2 by T1 means 10 by 5. 2. These two values substitute here. You will get 10th term. A into 5 into 2 power 9. This is the 10th term of this series. Any term you can find out with this formula. Okay. Remaining we shall see higher problems, more problems we shall discuss tomorrow. Now we shall take up some topic, some problems relating to integrals. Integrals, this is class 12th topic, class 12 topic. Only two problems we shall discuss in integration. Integration by substitution we shall do. There are three methods for integration. Integration methods. First method is integration by substitution. Second method is integration by partial fractions. Integration by using partial fractions. Third and final method is integration by parts. By parts. We shall take first integration by substitution, few problems. Okay. Two problems we shall take out. Sometimes, say so far we have learnt about integration by directly integrating the given problem. Means if the given problem is integrable with respect to x, we are able to integrate it. But sometimes it is very difficult to do by direct method. At that time we have to use integration by substitution. Substitution by, we substitute the given variable by t sometimes, trigonometric sin x is equal to t, or we sometimes substitute log x is equal to t. Like this we suppose and try to solve the given question. See here, simple example I will give you. Log x by x with respect to x, find the integration. Here simply you have to see that log x is equal to t, you have to suppose. If you suppose log x is equal to t, what happens? D by dx of log x is 1 by x. It is there already in it. Therefore we are substituting correctly. Let we shall suppose log x is equal to t. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Log x of d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Dx is equal to dt. 1 by x dx is also there in it. Log x is t. T, this is dt. 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Log x we substitute t. Therefore here the answer we are getting direct, t dt. Now it is integrable, t power 1. Suppose x power n integration, what is the formula? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Same way here for t power 1 integration you can do t power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. T square by 2 plus c. This is the answer, but the question is given in x, variable x. Answer should also be in x. Therefore, in place of t we shall substitute log x. Whatever we suppose, same we shall substitute here. In place of t, log x you substitute. Log x whole square by 2 plus c. This way, simply In the given question, we substitute a trigonometric or logarithmic or whatever function is. We suppose it as t, such that its derivative must be also existing in the problem. Log x derivative is 1 by x is also existing in it, then we will get the answer. Whatever we suppose, its derivative means d by dx must be existing in the question itself. Okay, now one more problem we shall do. Same by substitution, we shall do one more problem. Simply by seeing you can tell the answer. Second problem we are taking 2x by 1 plus x square dx. This also you can do it by substitution method. Whatever you suppose, its derivative must be existing in it. Yes, think it. Yes, 1 plus x square is equal to t you suppose. D by dx of 1 plus x square is 2x. 2x is existing in it. Means we are supposing correct. Therefore, we shall suppose as 1 plus x square is equal to t. The substitution we are doing here is 1 plus x square is equal to t. Substitute 1 plus x square is equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. D by dx of 1 is 0. D by dx of x square is 2x. Dx is equal to dt. See here 2x dx is existing in the question itself. Means we supposed correct. This is t, this is dt. Therefore you can write it as 2x dx. In place of 2x dx we can write dt. In place of 1 plus x square we can write t. 1 by t dt integration. See, integration of 1 by x dx is log mod x plus c. This is the formula. In place of x there is t. 1 by t dt means log t plus c. You will get the answer. Log mod t plus c. But the question is in x, therefore answer should also be in x. What is supposed? In place of t we shall substitute 1 plus x square plus c. This is the answer of the given question. Okay. Are you catching it? Is it enough for today? Because shall we do one more? Or this is enough for today? Tell me. Shall we do one more? Are you catching it? We shall do only simple problem, 3-step problem we shall do. Third one. 3-step problem it is. Cos of root x by root x dx. Here what you have to suppose as t. Suppose root x as t. What is d by dx of root x you know? 1 by 2 root x. Correct. d by dx of root x if I do both sides 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. See 1 by root x is already there. This is there 1 by root x. Therefore take this 2 to right side. 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 dt. In place of dx by root x we have to substitute 2 dt. Here cos t. What is the answer we are getting? Tell me. Cos t. In place of dx by root x is 2 dt. Shall write 2 dt. Cos t 2 dt. Answer. This is 2 you take out. Integration of cos t. Integration of cos t is sin t. This is the answer. But t we suppose, what did we suppose as t? Root x. Therefore substitute here, in place of t we shall write root x. This is the answer. This way we finish today's session. Okay? Thank you for your cooperation. कैसी बनी कहानी? जबरदस्त बनी। खा लिया तुम जब?
ना कम नहीं खुदा के हंसते हैं